In this video I'm going to share my experience of using a Samsung tablet as an e-reader to read ebooks. So nowadays, so this video is not about this Samsung tablet review. This book is about sharing my experiences of how it's like to read ebooks on this tablet, on this 9.6 inches Samsung tablet. So nowadays, we do not need to carry books. So back 10 to 20 years ago, we need to carry all of our books to schools or universities. We need to, if we had 10 subjects in our schools, we needed to carry 10 books to our school. Our bags used to be very heavy. Same case when you went to the university. Each of the books are very heavy. They're very thick. But with a single tablet, we can replace all those heavy books with one single tablet, lightweight tablet. All the 10 or hundreds of books can be in one single tablet. Uh, with this, using this tablet, so I've been using this tablet to read ebooks for my university ebooks like for about 5 years. So I've been getting good grades using this tablet, B plus, good grades. And so I prefer, in my opinion, a tablet is better than a Kindle Paperwhite ebook reader, because with a tablet I can have a bigger display, and I can see the books in colors. So let me just show you how it's like to read ebooks on this tablet. Okay, so I can just simply open up the Adobe Photoshop, Adobe PDF reader, Acrobat reader. So this is my academic book. You can see that it looks very nice. It looks like an actual book, but it would have been nicer if the screen size would have been 10 inches or more than 10 inches, 10.5, 10.6. So we could have read this part very clearly. So for academic books, it would be better if you purchase a tablet which is like 10 inches or more, but still you can read very clearly, read the text over here. And other books I have, like other self-help books I have, not this one, this book over here, this book, the new rules of marketing paper. You can see that it looks very nice. It looks like an actual book. Actually, you see the text over here, it looks very close to a real book, and it is very comfortable to read. See, and you can also highlight the text over here, highlight, and let me just show you how you can highlight the text. You can easily just highlight specific text, or you can also use this to write down something if you need to. So I'm just gonna back out of this. Let me just show you another book, Atomic Habits. See, this book also looks very nice. This kind of books is very fun to read with using this tablet, because the size is perfect. It's very big, 9.6 inches, and it's very nice to read. So it is better to use a tablet than a Kindle ebook, because when you're not reading books, you can use this for other stuffs like watching videos, playing games, and other kinds of things, and you get a color display. So it's better to, like, in my opinion, better to purchase a tablet rather than an ebook, Kindle Paperwhite ebook reader. So this is I mainly bought this tablet to read ebooks. That was the main purpose why I bought this. The configuration of this tablet is very low. This is a very low end tablet, $300 tablet. Like I think I bought it for like $300 equivalent, and this the pixel density is only 157 ppi, but still you can see that you can easily, like, the text are very sharp. You don't see much difference over here. You see, it still looks very nice. So having a tablet of this size is very comfortable to read ebooks. And if you buy like a better Samsung tablet, like better, like 10.5 inches, or the ones which comes with an AMOLED display, you will get a much better experience of reading ebooks and consuming like media, watching videos and other kind of things. And one thing I will suggest you is not to buy like small tablets, like the tablets which are 6 to 8 inches or 8.5 inches. Like, just simply go for the big tablets, 10 inches or more. Those are the range that you should buy if you want to read ebooks on your tablet. So this was my just short experience or review of, like, using your Samsung tablet as an e-reader to read ebooks. So I hope that you found this video useful and informative. If you did, then please make sure to like this video, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.